Good day, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Year 3 English class. Today, we are going to try the exercise for Module 10 in your workbook at page 76. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today, we are going to learn about comparative adjectives. Do you know what are comparative adjectives? Have you ever heard about these words? Before this, we have learned about adjectives. Adjectives are words to describe a noun. For example, tall and short. The man is tall. The boy is short. Small. This apple is small. Big. This apple is big. Comparative adjectives are adjectives to compare two people or things. Let's say when we want to compare these two persons, we have to use comparative adjective. The adjective tall have to change to the comparative form. So tall becomes taller. The man is taller than the boy. Short becomes shorter. The boy is shorter than the man. Let's look at the second example. Small. The adjective small have to change to smaller. Big. The adjective big have to change to the comparative adjectives bigger. So, when we want to write comparative adjectives, we have to follow the following rules. Rule number 1. Add er at the end of the word. For example, short becomes shorter. We add er at the end of t, shorter. Long becomes longer. We add er at the end of g, longer. Let's look at the next example, slow and fast. Can you guess what the comparative adjectives for slow is? Slower. Correct. How about fast? We add er at the end of t, so it becomes faster. Very good. Now I'm going to show you another rules to write comparative adjective. When we see the word end with y, we have to remove the y and add ier at the end of the word. For example, heavy. We have to remove the y and add ier, so it becomes heavier. Heavier, heavier, to form comparative adjectives. There's one very special case when we see the one-syllable adjectives ends in CVC, that is, consonant, vowel, and consonant. The final consonant is doubled and add er to form the comparative adjective. For example, big. Big is one-syllable adjective and is ends in CVC, whereby B is the consonant, I is the vowel, and the alphabet G is also a consonant. So at here we have to double the final consonant, which is the G, and add er at the end of the word. So big becomes bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. How can we differentiate consonants and vowels? It's very easy, just follow this chart. There are only 5 vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U. And the other 21 alphabets are all consonants. Let me show you another one-syllable adjective and in CVC form, which is wet. The middle E is vowel, and W and T are both consonants. So we have to double the final consonant, the T, and add er to form the comparative adjective. So wet become wetter. W-E-T-T-E-R. Activity 1. Look and write. In this activity, you are going to change the adjective to its comparative form. For example, tall become taller. Move on to question 2. Big. Big is one syllable adjective and in CVC form. So we have to double the final consonant, we have to double the final G, and add ER to form the comparative adjective. So big become bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. Number 3, strong become stronger. Number 4, fast become faster. Number 5, please take note that here again, thin is another word, one syllable and in CVC form. So we have to double the N and add ER to form the comparative adjective. Thin become thinner, T-H-I-N-N-E-R, thinner. The last question, number 6, hot. Hot is also an in CVC form. So we have to double the final T and add ER to form hotter, H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter. Do you manage to get all the answer correct? Well done. Activity 2, look and write. In this activity, we are going to compare two animals by using comparative adjectives and write it in sentence. This is a rat and this is a cat. The rat is smaller than the cat. Let's try question 2. This is a bear and this is a dog. The comparative adjective for fat is fat, F-A-T-T-E-R, because it follows the CVC form, F-A-T-T-E-R. The sentence is, the bear is fatter than the dog. Question 3. This is Greg and this is Anna. We are going to compare their hairs. By using the comparative adjective, short become shorter. So whose hair is shorter? It's Greg's hair. So the sentence should be, Greg's hair is shorter than Anna's hair. Question 4. Tigers. And these are lions. And we compare both the animals by using comparative adjective stronger. Tigers are stronger than lions. Question 5. Giraffes. And these are zebras. Which animals are tallest? Is giraffes. Giraffes are taller than zebras. Question 6. Cheetahs and horses. Which animals are faster? Correct, is cheetahs. Cheetahs are faster than horses. Did you manage to get all the answers correct? Good job! That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!